и Сьерра-81 и Сомбреро, 12 миллионах световых лет от Земли. Данные переведены в аудиопульсации Юрием Горьким из Роскосмоса.
So this nut in the corner or the friendship bracelet could be related to Pam and Nani, as they both have them. And I think also Jessie has some of that. And here's the room of Nani and Pam and Jessie. And in the corner of the room, this could be where the VKBRL radio thing could go. And here's some notes which match the drawings on their wall. So pretty much another reason I'd like to support my theory is look in the corner here. Look, right there. Look at that. That friendship bracelet in the right corner. Not really the corner of the screen, right above the cassette. I think that's a cassette tape. And you can see that it has some colors, and those colors exactly match the friendship bracelet bands on Nani, Jessie, and Pam. So that is why I think that is totally true. And just for more information, I will show you pictures comparing these two together. So here are the photos, and as you can see, they're exactly the same color. But on the VKBRL one, it is quite dim. I think that's just fine. But hope you guys like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.